The concept of Biowonder was really interesting concept. It appealed to me a lot. It's just something which was very out of the box. The whole challenge in the design of the building was primarily the cantilever portion, which is about 8.4 meter cantilever with landscape gardens and particularly with a glass facade wrapping around the entire building. The idea of large cantilevers in the building, so he just discussed the aspect with me first, whether it would be practically possible to design it, execute it, because there are a lot of parameters involved in designing, including the loadings, earthquake, wind, everything. The main challenge in the entire building was the cantilever basically. We conceived the cantilever in two different ways. Calcutta being in zone 3, earthquake zone 3, and has a wind velocity of 180 kilometers per hour. The design of the cantilever becomes extremely important because it has got a wraparound facade also. And during the earthquake, there is a lot of vertical acceleration in the building. This has to be arrested. But we could not accommodate the acceleration and the deflection of the building with landscape at the edges and the glass facade, because once we design a glass facade like this, we have to restrict the deflection, so the glass facade stability is not affected. Then we decided to go for a steel structure and with diagonal bracing at the edges. Of course, it's now covered with the glass. If you go inside, you will find the diagonal bracings given, which restricts the deflection of the cantilevers during the earthquake situation. We zeroed into Evershan die for a major steel fabricators. It is a specially made steel structure. It is fabricated at the factory and then transported to Calcutta and then just placed in position. Facade connectivity has been designed to take care of the movement of the glasses. If the glass is rigidly fixed, you don't allow it to move, then it starts cracking. So we have allowed all those movements in the facade. It's a very critical structure. So we decided to get a third-party review from IIT Roorkee. I personally went to Roorkee, sat with them, discussed the design part and all that, and then they gave us the approval of the entire structure. Because this type of project is very rarely you get a chance and get a support from the developers like this to make it fruitful. It feels really great when you enter this building, seeing the thing which have now become actual reality.